ये है 90s का इंडियन टेस्ट क्रिकेट, लेस रिस्की शॉट्स, प्रॉपर टेक्निक्स एंड धीरे धीरे चलता स्कोर बोर्ड, अ प्योर जेंटलमैन्स गेम। एंड दिस इज इंडियन टेस्ट क्रिकेट नाउ, unconventional shots, fearless cricket, and countless boundaries. And all of this is possible because of one man, Virendra Sehwag, a name that symbolized an era of bold test cricket in India, an era where the boundaries of traditional cricket were not just pushed but shattered. Test debuted 100 से लेके ट्रिपल सेंचुरी तक, सहवाग changed test cricket in ways जो किसी ने सोचा भी नहीं था. With a career that boasts 2 triple centuries and an inning that left even Muralitharan in a spin, सहवाग carved a niche that forever altered Indian cricket narrative. सहवाग के डोमेस्टिक करियर की बात करें तो उन्होंने 1997 में दिल्ली के लिए खेलना शुरू किया था. He was also the part of Dulip Trophy team where he scored 274 runs in a match. He later joined under-19 team for the South Africa tour, and throughout his first-class career, उनकी परफॉर्मेंस इतनी बढ़िया थी कि he became the favorite among selectors, जिसके चलते उनको इंटरनेशनल में भी जल्द ही चांस मिल गया था. In 1991, Sehwag got the opportunity to play for India against Pakistan. एंड ये वो दौर है जब पाकिस्तान की बॉलिंग वाज एट इट्स पीक विद बॉलर्स लाइक शोएब अख्तर, वसीम अकरम एंड सकलीन मुश्ताक. आफ्टर स्कोरिंग जस्ट 1 run, he got out on LBW by Rawalpindi Express. And just like that, he was forgotten for 20 months. In March 2001, Sehwag got a second chance during the Australian tour. Scoring 58 runs in 54 balls and taking 3 wickets against Australia, he earned his first Man of the Match award. And on that tour, he showcased his timing and confidence against bowlers like McGrath and Vaughan. 3 महीने बाद एक ऐसा मोड़ आया जिसने ना कि सिर्फ सहवाग के करियर बल्कि इंडियन क्रिकेट को ही बिल्कुल चेंज कर दिया. ड्यूरिंग अ ट्राई सीरीज इन श्रीलंका, रेगुलर ओपनर सचिन को फुट इंजरी की वजह से टीम से बाहर बैठना पड़ा. In such scenario, India needed an opener who could stand out and attack up front just like Tendulkar did. And moreover, middle order में भी Viru kept getting out trying to slog the spinners. So दोनों problems को solve करने के लिए then captain Sourav Ganguly asked Sehwag to open for India, who was a middle order batsman until now. He nailed the opening batting beautifully. As in his second test match as opener, he slashed his first ODI century against New Zealand, scoring 100 runs in just 70 balls and also became the player of the match. उनकी ओडीआई पारी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए he got selected for the test team. During a tour to South Africa in 2001, he made his debut at number 6, where he scored his test maiden century, जो तब तक सिर्फ 2 लोगों ने किया था, अमरनाथ एंड सौरव गांगुली. Despite a challenging wicket, his play stood out. उस टाइम पर मिडिल ऑर्डर में स्पॉट मिलना was tough because of Fab 4, Rahul Dravid, Sachin Tendulkar, Sourav Ganguly and VVS Lakshman. With India struggling to find consistent test opener, Sourav Ganguly decided to place Sehwag at the top of the order at Lords. And ये सहवाग के टेस्ट करियर का सिर्फ 6 मैच ही था. In his first inning as a test opener, Sehwag was the team's top scorer with 84 runs. Then in the second test only, he scored another century, gaining widespread recognition. उसके बाद से सहवाग ने मुड़ के कभी मिडिल ऑर्डर की तरफ देखा ही नहीं. What was astounding about Sehwag was his unbeatable spirit. He was never bogged down by any bowler. Nor did he try to alter his natural batting style for the opening position. उन्होंने हमेशा अपना ही गेम खेला है. With his proficiency to hit boundaries, Sehwag would score rapidly, unsettling the opposition in no time. During the 2003 tour to Australia on a challenging pitch at Melbourne, he blasted an incredible 195 runs on the opening day of the test. This performance was astonishing, something the cricketing world was unaccustomed to witnessing. Time and again, Sehwag delivered astounding innings that took the world by storm. And 2004 की पाकिस्तानी टूर तो हम सबको याद ही है. He made the mockery of the Pakistani bowling attack, which included formidable names like Shoaib Akhtar, Sakleen Mushtaq, Mohammad Sami and Abdul Razak. Sehwag's approach was marked by aggression and fearless attitude towards Pakistani bowling attack. Sehwag's inning began with a strong start. लंच से पहले ही उन्होंने अपनी हाफ सेंचुरी बना दी थी. His relentless attack continued, reaching a century in just 107 balls and finishing day 1 with an unbeatable score of 221 runs, breaking Sanjay Manjrekar's record for the highest runs scored against Pakistan by any Indian batsman. On March 29, 2004, Sehwag's bold batting resulted in a record-breaking triple century, becoming the first Indian to achieve this milestone. He batted for over 530 minutes, hitting 39 boundaries and 6 sixes. His historical 6 over long on of Sakleen Mushtaq's delivery was the highlight, marking his entry into the record books. This was a big moment for India, with victories in both the Test and the ODI series significantly aided by Sehwag's contribution. उनका दबदबा आगे भी ऐसे ही चलता रहा क्योंकि 2008 में उन्होंने एक और ट्रिपल सेंचुरी बनाई थी अगेंस्ट साउथ अफ्रीका. सहवाग से पहले रियल अटैकिंग बैट्समैन कोई नहीं था, स्पेशली इन इंडिया. In the 90s, there was Sachin, बट उनको आप एक सॉलिड डिपेंडेबल बैट्समैन कह सकते हो, हु बिलीव्ड इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कंडीशंस एंड एक्सप्लॉइटिंग देम. Sidhu was there too, but with a strike rate of under 70 in the modern era, he's hardly what you'd call attacking. When Sehwag was in form, there were few sights more beautiful in the world of cricket. And the talk sound the ball made coming off his bat, you knew it was heading straight to the boundary. Sehwag was our first real attacking batsman compared to the likes of Gilchrist, Viv Richard and Chris Gayle. उनके इंटरनेशनल करियर में उन्होंने 53 बार अपनी इनिंग्स एक बाउंड्री से शुरू की है, जिसमें 25 टाइम्स एक कारनामा उन्होंने ओडीआई में किया था, 25 टाइम्स इन टेस्ट एंड 3 times in T20Is. Secondly, before Sehwag came into the scene, the Indian team was heavily relied on Sachin Tendulkar. With over a decade, Indian fans viewed Sachin's dismissal as a sign of that rest of the team might collapse. Since Sachin हमेशा ओपन करते थे, ऐसा लगता था कि पूरी टीम ने सिर्फ 100 ही रन कंट्रीब्यूट किए हैं. However, once Sehwag began opening with Sachin, the dynamics started to change. With both of the India's best openers at the crease together, Sehwag would aggressively take on the bowlers, keeping the scoreboard ticking and allowing Sachin time to settle in, which was very crucial for Indian cricket. Before Sehwag, batting had very strict rules. Watch the ball for the first 5 overs, lean into the shot using footwork and always play in the V initially. And ये बहुत कॉमन था कि लोग सिंगल्स लेते थे अपने 90s में. Sehwag ने कभी ऐसे रूल्स को फॉलो नहीं किया. He often started playing a match by hitting a ball over bowler's head for a 6. Instead of cautiously playing in the V, he confidently whipped the ball to the mid-wicket. While others sought singles in their 90s, Sehwag boldly hit a 6 to reach his century. He's one of the match where he was batting at 183 and blasted 4 fours to reach 200 runs ASAP.
Second fastest double hundred ever.
Sehwag को कहाँ ही irritated देखा होगा तुमने. When he was fielding at slips, he was all smile. When he was hitting the bowlers, he would smile and fist bump Sachin like they were playing kho-kho in their backyard and not a World Cup qualifier match. Sehwag was neither politically correct nor outwardly aggressive, जिससे पता चलता है कि उस टाइम ड्रेसिंग रूम का माहौल कैसा था. The common criticism of attacking batsmen is their perceived weakness in Test cricket, as it is ultimate examination for a batsman. Test cricket demands temperament, technique and patience, qualities जो उस टाइम पे सहवाग से एसोसिएट नहीं होती थी. Contrary to the expectations, Sehwag excelled most in the Test cricket, even compared to the other formats. He averaged 22 runs in T20s, 35 runs in the ODIs, and an impressive 49 run in Test, scoring at a strike rate of 82 runs. Sehwag के अलावा उस टाइम पे सिर्फ शाहिद अफरीदी की टेस्ट स्ट्राइक रेट ज्यादा होती थी, but he isn't primarily known as a batsman, right? Sehwag's Test career marked by 8,586 runs, 23 centuries, including 6 scores over 200. He ranks among the most successful Test opener in the cricket history. Fab 4 को भी सहवाग ने चेंज करके Fab 5 बना दिया था, highlighting his extraordinary career achievements. He transformed the way Test cricket is played, completely redefining the role of an opener, which is also praised by others. And this is how Sehwag revolutionized Test cricket in India.